going down.
Alright, so we just arrived at the Virgin Hotel. Super windy outside. Let's go check it out. Hey, what's going on, guys? So we have now just got into our room after a lengthy stay downstairs, which was kind of crazy, but we'll talk about that later. Right now, let's get to this room. This is a chamber petite king suite. I think that's what it's called. And let's get to it.
All right, guys. So walking into the suite, there's a closet here, a nice mirror, full-size mirror,
Full-size mirror.
a vanity with some storage. Let's see how big it is. Pretty good.
So it's kind of cool. You can just kind of close this up if you want to. Close the other one.
And it has charging ports.
Yes, a lot of ports there. Close this up.
I know. What were you looking at?
That was Yana. Yana had that open. I didn't have it. Yana did have that open.
You so sus.
No, I didn't. I swear.
And then it has another closet here.
Kind of cool having two.
Ooh, the bottom's actually for shoes. Oh.
Yeah, little shoe rack. The little safe here.
Okay, you want to take us to the bathroom?
Yeah, let's take. Okay.
Okay, what's your bathroom have?
It has 2 sinks
Ooh, it's kind of cute.
Oh, that's
huh?
nice.
Nice mirror.
and my toilet.
Oh, your toilet.
And what is this?
That's toilet paper.
This toilet paper, extra toilet paper.
And this is my shower.
Nice
Oh, it
shower.
has a little seat in
On
there.
inside. Yes.
Oh.
Come
Can we
in.
get a tour of your room?
Sure.
Okay.
This is my orange cat.
So we have a king size bed, 2 nightstands, so actually 3 over there. Some nice art. Cute little lamp.
Obviously, you got your stuff that you don't want to touch unless you're absolutely dying and hungry.
And then the fridge.
Fridge.
Ooh, this kind of look good.
Yeah, I like these kind of fridges, even though obviously I won't get
Those are
anything.
like little margaritas.
Yeah,
Unless
unless
you're
I
drunk.
really, really need it, but other than that, I won't do it.
Nice little lounge area that Iana already got comfortable in. With a table, good for eating.
Yeah, this is actually a nice table. Bring your food up here and eat.
And then the thing is good.
Usually they have a smaller one, but this one's kind of nice.
my
we got it.
remote.
Got a
We got a
view.
parking lot view.
Yeah, just a. You can't really see
Nothing
anything
much.
outside, but it's nothing. I mean, I guess you could see over there. You know, a little tiny bit. We'll show you guys later on. Some lamps.
Yeah. And the other one.
What's out there?
Too.
It's a lot of art, which is kind of good. Makes the room not feel so.
Small.
Yeah. Obviously TV. And yeah, guys, so this is a room tour of Virgin Hotel, Las Vegas. This is a king chamber suite, something like that. But overall, I really like the aesthetic of it. It looks very nice. I feel like it's kind of like retro, kind of meets like kind of new, modern, sleek. I like it. What about you, Ben?
Yeah, I like it. I think it's more for like a couples, not with the kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is good for like a couple. I wish it had a bath.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it doesn't have one. But it's
Yeah.
still nice
For no
compared
reason,
to
we got
a lot of
a
other
bath
hotels.
Yeah, so overall pretty good. We'll give you guys an overall review of the whole hotel later on in the video.
Get out of my room.
All right, guys, so we're starving right now, so we're about to go downstairs and eat at this restaurant. It's called Casa, I think Casa Calavera or something like that. I'll show you once I get there. But Iana's extremely hungry, and you're hungry too, right, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got dressed up. We're gonna go downstairs, show you the foods. It's very nice in here. I like the whole vibe in here. See the cactus, very cactus plants. Kind of nice vibes for sure. So we just got these. Let's see how they're gonna taste. Ready, baby?
Wait up, let me mix it because I don't like strong.
No, it don't taste strong. It don't taste strong.
Oh shit.
It's not strong. It's not alcohol strong.
What does it taste like?
Like spicy kind of, huh? What? Like it?
Just kidding. It's alright. After a few drinks, I'm not gonna care no more.
Yana, you can't try that. That has dizzy in there. You can't drink that, girl.
I thought it was apple juice.
Alright, so we're just waiting on our food right now. Alright guys, so I got enchiladas, chicken enchiladas with beans and rice. Sorry about the lighting, it's kind of dark in here.
I got Casa burrito with carnitas. And I don't think I'm gonna finish it all. What did you get, Eve?
Quesadillas and rice and beans.
Oh, that's the same rice Grandma makes. You like that rice? Look at it, looks like
Alright, so we'll tell you guys how it is once we're done. Alright guys, so we just finished eating our meal at Casa Calavera. And it was super good. The salsas, well, I got enchiladas, it was really good. What did we get to drink?
I like pineapple something.
Yeah, so it was supposed to be like a margarita.
Oh, a pinerita.
Yeah, it was supposed to be like some type of margarita drink. It was really good. And Iana, how was your food? And your food?
I didn't like the drink that much because it was too sour for me. I don't like sour drinks.
And how was your food?
It was pretty good. Yeah.
You like the burrito?
Yeah, it was very big.
Okay. Alright, you like big stuff? Okay. Yeah, so right now we're just kind of exploring.
Oh, look right there.
So you guys can see, got the little sign here. So yeah, we're just exploring around. Alright guys, so it's the morning time and we are getting ready to check out already. And I just want to give you guys my final thoughts about this hotel, Virgin. And honestly, in my opinion, I really like the hotel. I like the hotel room. I like the hotel itself. I like the stuff it has to offer. It's obviously smaller, but I feel like it gives like a nice homey vibe to it. Has a lot of nice restaurants. The casino area is very small, but it's not jam-packed. You know, you could we went through a bunch of slot games and stuff in a breeze. You know, it was like easy because there was nobody here. You know, if you want to get away from this trip, I feel like this is the perfect hotel for you because it's close enough to the strip where you're kind of like walking. I would say like 10-15 minutes, but Uber ride like less than 5 minutes, you're already at the strip. We weren't able to check out the pool area just because we came at nighttime and it was already closed, so we weren't able to go check it out. But from what I've heard and seen, it has like nice sand, like beach feel. I guess you're able to walk into the pool and you'll have sand on the floor, but like I said, it was closed, so we weren't able to go in there. So yeah, for sure, if you're looking for something more kind of low-key but at the same time that has that vibe and gives you energy, I feel like this is the right place. I feel like it's kind of underrated. I don't really see too many people really talking about it just because it's kind of a little bit away. Like I said, not too much away from the strip. So yeah, for those people that want to get away from there but have a good time, I would for sure suggest come to Virgin Hotels here in Las Vegas. I would give this, the hotel overall, like a solid 8, from the food, from the casino area, the whole vibe of the place. It's really nice. It's really nice. I really like it. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying the content here. You know, we are doing this for you guys, you know, and I hope you guys like it. And thank you so much. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.